Americano. They all think that this is just a phase. That's what my mom keeps telling me. Then I'm just gonna grow out of it. This is who I am, Mom!
These wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase.
You're so lame, why don't you just go? Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, die. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, die.
Cut it, 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 cut it.
What you say? Oh, that you all.
I'll be smoking on that.
I'm a hot mama jamma, I jam in my pajamas. I put on my pajamas and then I go banana. I'm a hot mama jamma, I jam in my pajamas. I put on my pajamas and then I go banana.
What is that? What the fuck is that?
Hey, bite my glorious golden ass! GTA, motherfucker! Oh, yeah! 10 points!
Push it to the limit. Walk along a razor's edge, but don't look down.
I wake up in the morning, sinking halfway to the bottom. There's a loud, distorted screaming in my soul. Everything is dark and empty, and I don't know how to fix it. So I curl up in a ball and cry in the comfort of my home. I don't.
So long, boys! I'll send you a postcard from Paradise Falls!
Hell no, to the no, no, no. Hell to the no, hell to the no, to the no, no, no. Listen.
Still Snoop Dogg and D.I. Guess who's back?
When you try your best but you don't succeed.
Tactical nuke incoming!
Kaboom.
Bitch, hold my weave!
Hold it. Run that back.
Wait a minute. Go right.
There, freeze that.
Full screen.
Okay, freeze that.
Tighten up on that wheel.
Vector in on that guy by the back wheel.
Zoom in right here on this spot.
With the right equipment, the image could be enlarged and sharpened.
What's that?
It's an enhancement program.
Can you clear that up any?
I don't know. Let's enhance it.
Enhance section A6.
I enhanced the detail and...
I think there's enough to enhance. Release it to my screen.
Enhance the reflection in her eye.
Let's run this through video enhancement.
Edgar, can you enhance this?
Hang on. I've been working on this reflection.
Someone's reflection.
Reflection.
There's a reflection of the man's face.
The reflection.
There's a reflection.
Zoom in on the mirror.
You can see a reflection.
Can you enhance the image from here?
Can you enhance him right here?
Can you enhance it?
Can you enhance it?
Can we enhance this?
Can you enhance it?
Hold on a second, I'll enhance.
Zoom in on the door.
Times 10.
Zoom.
Move in. More.
Wait, stop.
Stop.
Pause it.
Rotate us 75 degrees around the vertical, please.
Stop. And go back to the part about the door again.
Got an image enhancer that can bitmap?
Maybe we can use the Predip Send method to see into the windows.
This software is state of the art.
The eigenvalue is off. With the right combination of algorithms.
He's taken illumination algorithms to the next level, and I can use them to enhance this photograph.
Lock on and enlarge the z-axis.
Enhance.
Enhanced?
Enhance. Freeze and enhance.